Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. Today, we're checking out the Amazon Basics mid-back office chair, a budget-friendly option that promises comfort and adjustability. But is it worth your money? Let's unbox it, test it out, and find out. Right out of the box, the chair comes with all the parts neatly packed. Assembly was pretty straightforward. Just follow the instructions and you'll have it ready in about 15 to 20 minutes. First impressions? The black mesh fabric looks sleek and professional. The chair feels sturdy, and I like that it's breathable, which is great for long work sessions. Let's talk features. Adjustable height works smoothly. Tilt function lets you recline slightly, but it's not a full lounging chair. Padded seat, not super plush, but decent for the price. Rolling wheels, glides well on hard floors. For a budget office chair, it's comfortable enough for 4 to 5 hours of work, but if you need all-day support, you might want extra lumbar cushioning. Host pros, affordable, usually under $100. Simple, professional look. Breathable mesh back, easy assembly. Cons. Lumbar support could be better. Not the most padded seat. Armrests aren't adjustable. Overall, the Amazon Basics office chair is a solid budget pick, great for students, home offices, or as a spare chair. It's not ultra luxurious, but for the price, it does the job well. If you need heavy-duty support, consider spending more, but if you want a no-frills, reliable chair, this is a good deal. Have you tried this chair? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews. See you next